Image Paodam meng tabiriba sungbo ahama mutu da krumzadi hauzik maroiba pauda Indiana Global Host oiduna nipum durak suba World Environment Day ge tharam paksana pangthokre Plastic ke mahuta atopa material na sinnana basarkana notice thagadori amadi desamna tongan tongamba police station singda aikhoibu phabiro haiduna thomjengkhre hauzik pausanu na pizari World Environment Day lisengane tarani pange palan thoramda Prime Minister Narendra Modi na wa ngangbada haike padaba polythene amade plastic aikhoina sizinaroi World Environment Day ge nipum doi shuba edition ngase thoram Indiana yumbu oiduna pangthokle thoramatuda Environment Minister sing United Nations dagi mihut sing loinana lebak kya dagi mioi kya thoram asida sarugyadi Prime Minister Modi na maki thagi oina sandoliba pumingi wagi thoramda wangang badhai ki kumsi sayege World Environment Day ge thoram Indiana yumbu oigane thimna bitter plastic pollution haibisine Prime Minister Modi na haiki aikoina phataba polythene amasung plastic seasonaroi dabane climate change ki thabak thoram lokhatpada India su mangjang thaba lebagabane Mukhyamantri Nongthoma Birena haikre Rajya Sarkar na athuba matangi manungda State sida plastic sizinaba thingnaba thorang tawre wapomase mahanangase Impal East ke luwang sambamda pangthopa World Environment Day ge atoiba atiti ge warolda phongdokibane se minister na makata duna dukandar singda tha ahungi manungda plastic ke mahuta atopa material amana sindongna basu sakana athubada notice tharagani haike mase sakana state asida plastic sizinaduna yonba sing pura ban tawnaba thorang lokholapani Mangna makata duna plastic sizinabadagi haksang mangnaba amasung pollution amadi environment amasung integration ge rate asi asukimati wangkhale haike Mukhyamantri na Asia to duna youth club amadi atai voluntary organization singna makoi ki waste management activities sing yokhaning ba leirabadi sarkar na singge mateng pigani haike se minister na all Manipur DPC competent candidate of police constable men lisingani taramdoina chathariba shutdown ge assistation ga marilena na pongdokpada sarkana police constable recruitment examination lisingne taramdoi asigi phol athubada haiduna bagi oithokpa leire sarkana legal matter kharada matam khara lobune haiki Taramadda Public Health Engineering Minister L. Diko, Agriculture Minister V. Hankhalian, Impal East Zilla Parishad Adhyaksha P. Bimola Devi, Advisor to the Minister Secretary Dr. Razak Amadi, Bioresource and Sustainable Development ke Director Dr. D. Bandhu Sahasu Sarugya Khayari. Bitter plastic pollution haiba thimda Manipuri Student Federation na sinduna malemge mausa gi nimit palan tawkhre lamoidong da laiba Eskanahan Memorial English School da pangthoki batharamadu da Kaksang District Police ke Superintendent of Police Victoria Yangkhomna atoiba mitung Eskanahal Memorial English School lamoidong ge Director cum Principal Aizitena akhanaba mitung amadi Manipuri Students Federation ge President Ngariambam Milana Thoromobu AK Ngasigi Tharamda Kaksing District ke manungda laiba Best Eco-Friendly Academic Campus da School Ahom Ahambada Grace Curtis Academy ani subada Padmaratna English School amadi Ahom subada Victoria High School da manapikhi Nakalomanamda BJP Kaksing Mandal na World Environment Day ga mari lenana usara thabagi thoram ama Kaksing Uyok Garden ge Makha thangba singi napomda Kaksing Assembly Constituency ke MLA Vice Surjanda BJP Kaksing Mandal Municipal Council ke Councillor sing amadi one member sing yauduna pangthokre usara thabasida BJP Kaksing Mandal Mahila Morcha Youth Morcha Kisan Morcha SC Morcha OBC Morcha both kudinge committee sing peer price of agent amasung agents committee sing party ge karja karta Sing Loinana volunteer organization singsu sarubiyakhi Atopa pawamada World Environment Day ga mari leinana social Environment Organization SDO Palena Forest Bit Office Palen Kaksing District Kusamnudana Palena Made Akoibada U Chara Thakre Mazi U Thakiba Mofam Singi Manungda Palen Satu Lambige Naget Palent IVR Want Kulak Lambige Naget Palent Lamthok Sing Ibudau Sengmai Ningtau Nongpo Ningtau Anige Loishank Lam Topam Nasingba Yauri Manipur Police Department na tonga mamopam kyada paksana usara sing thaduna ngase World Environment Day palantharam pangthokibagi manungsana Thawan District ke khangabokta leiba humsuba IRB campus tasu battalion asigi CO and Herozina lusingduna uchara lesingamaram thaduna World Environment Day palantokhi usara thabagi thoram aduga mari leinana CO and Herozina phongdorokpada ngase World Environment Day ga mari leinana 3rd IRB campus da thariba uchara singasi campus asigi sekpanna kushinba mafam nene thariba uchara singasi amada siandana mapung mari phangane ngasigi numida sege mari leinana uchara thariba sing amade miyamna su thariba usara singadu phajana ngapi sembiduna mapung mari phayam biduna nongmano magi sokselaloba aikogi environment se kanbada thaudang lomina se haiki World Environment Day ge Tharom Ase Directorate of Environment Government of Manipur na sponsor Tauraga Socialist Student Union Manipur SSUM na Sinduna Maite Council More MCM ge office ta supang thokre Thoromaduda Dr. S. Ibomsa SP Technopana Chief Guest and Sanahant Advisor Socialist Student Union Manipur na Functional President and Santos Transporters Official More M. Thoiba President MCM Ginsei Longdem President STC Mohan Zal Secretary Tamin Sangam Durga Sama President Gorkha Samaj MD Zalaluddin President MMCM TS Ibemal President Kanumpok Apamba Nupilop More El Tamep Secretary Nupi Kunai Zakotalam Singlop More T Ibema President Wadamna Guest of Honor Sing Oina Sergaki Zibias na Tharom Asigi Mari Lainana Hadakibada Matam Karagi Matungdadi Samudra Durenda Ladiba Ngam Masing Dagi Plastic Masingna Helapayabagi Oitopa Ladabani Hausaksu Aikuina Turen Torban Amadi Atai Mapam Kiada Tadariba Plastic Asina Loktak Amadi Asoba Turen Singda Tadaglabakanda Plastic Asina Maram Oiduna Nga Amadi Atai Ziba Pambakia Siba Pau Yaurabani Plastic Labor Mapam Singda Upambika Tarabasu Hingbangam Loy Hanadi Levakta Pumduna Lake Kriba Plastic Aduna Isingda Akopa Makalge Plastic Yaruktunanga City Popadangariba Angang Pawa Plastic Yaurabani Hauzik Lamdamasida Cancer Laina Kaya Hengalariba Ase Plastic Asina Su Tholabani Maramaduna Plastic Seasonaba Ase Leblasi Haiba Wapam Tamke And Sanahana Hai Moreda Kunda Mineriba Tungan Tongamba Purup Sink Amadi Sarkar Asega Punna Tongminaraga Plastic Ase Tingnaba Tingbangamgani Sarkar Asina Su Anova Law Ama Sembiduna Myanmarga Tainaba Manipurgi Border Singda Check Toduna Plastic Sanglapa Tingnaba Honabiyo Haiba Apil Toki Taromasiga Mari Lenana Stand Signed Iskont Morige Playgrounda Urcharakaya Sutaki Sanden Putbon Friends Forest Department Chandent 18 Assam Rifles Nehru Yuva Kendra Chandent Amasung Unique Wellness Center Sandena Punna Sindunangase World Environment Day Ge Thorom Chandent District Headquarter Dalaiba Children Tapakta Pangthokre Ngasegi Thorom the Deputy Commissioner Chandent Krishna Kumar Divisional Forest Officer Sandent Sanazawa Kuraizam Chandent Putbon Friends Ge President T.S. Chamna Anan 18 Assam Rifles Ke Captain Nishant NYK Chandenge District Youth Coordinator Paulina Monsang Unique Wellness Center Sandenge President L.S. Bliss Ataimio Kyasu Sarivya K Tharumdada DC Chanden Krishna Kumar IAS Na Lusinglaga Children Park Chandenda Urchara Thaki Hairi Environment Asi Nomonomagi Mangsilapana Global Warming Ge Akiba Asi Nomonomagi Hangalagli Haina Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Kosemge Chairman Lamlambam Mahendrana Pungdoke Reformist Student Front RSF amadi Karimbi Khog Student Union and Club KSUC na punna sinduna Thawan District Karimbi Khog Sing amadi Community Hall da pangthokiba World Environment Day gi thoramda Saruk Yarduna Kosenge Chairman L Mahendrana Makatana Haikibada Ngasigi Environment Mangthadagliba Sing Asi National Ecology amadi Sanan Lambi ama Oinaba amadi Hingnaba Honarapa Asida Malem Ima Asi Matau karam maina mang tharakpage haibage wakhal simade khalasano thabak oinade pangthok taba lamna asum chatkhibage mawongka ama lakpa oina mahna phungdokhi ngasagi thauramge saruk ama oina Council of Higher Secondary School Kosemge Chairman Lamamband Mahendrana Lusingduna Karimbi Khoki Jingda Uhi Pamba Uchara Singsu Thakibakaloinana Mahiroi Singi Oiba State Level Painting Competition Amasu Category Ahum Thongna Kaidokduna Tree Plantation Sap Environment Amasung Grant Manipur Haiba Tongan Tongamba Timsing Asida Pangtoke Ngasagi World Environment Day ge Thorom Aduda Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada Manipur ge President Hizam Priyokumar Rance Officer Tawal S Samungau National Youth Awardee Premdas Khetri Mayom Amasung SDC Irong L Asakumarsu Sarugyaki. World Environment Day ga mari lainana Regional Institute of Handicapped Persons RISP Yaripok Amadi Yaripok Municipal Council YMC na Punasinduna Solid Waste and Plastic Habisida Nomagi Oiba Awareness Program Ama Yaripok Tampakaitinda Pangtopagaloinana Lamtu Sengkre. World Environment Day gi tharomasi BJP Thawal District nasu tongan mapum singda usara sing thaduna pangtokhe BJP Thawal District President L Devena Lusingduna BJP Wangsing Tentha Mandal Hairok Mandal amadi Thawal Mandan gi mapum singda usara sing thaki Students Library Association Sla Kaksingna World Environment Day gamari lenana painting competition amangasi Grass Cottages and Education and Development Foundation Kaksingna pangthokre hariba painting competition ase category mari A B C D haina khaidoki maduda category A da class 1 dagi 2 category B da class 3 to 5 category C da class 6 to 8 amadi category D da na class 9 to 12 ke mahirushinga sangnamna ke Sangtana Baduda category Egina Balbidea Bhavan Wabagage Mahiroi Wabagai Kadazidage Maibam Surmitana first category B da Ramkrishna Mission Iskunge Mahiroi Kagimpale Pantaktage Lanlaiba Sinamna first category Sida Kaksing Public School Kaksing Mahiroi Kaksing Wari Senapati Lekaidege Naurem Lisidasna first Amadi category Dida Victory High School Ge Mahiroi Kaksing Turen Wangwadage Yankomp Monisha Devina first da Craig Makom Matang Tarabasingda Laglibatang Taratareda Pangtokadariba 28 Sla Award Presentation cum Felicitation Function da Manapiragani Haidi Ngasi World Environment Day ga mari lainana Singhat Battalion Assam Rifles na sinduna paktangana usara thabagi thoram ama Singhat subdivision ge manungda leiba tungan mama phongkya da pangthokre usa thabagi drive adu battalion asina school authority amadi tungan ba volunteer kya ga khusamnaraga pangthokibani maduda sarangna usara somnom thaki Kaksing Runners na Sports Club Kaksing Rescotis Academy Amadi Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur Kaksinga Kusamnaraga World Environment Day gi Tharunga Marilenana Kaksing Hospital Road Amadi DSA Ground Ge Lambida Ayupung Tarumakaram Tabadagi Hauraga Usara Sing Thakre Amarumda Run for Hell Haiba Wakalonda Semkiba Kaksing Runners ke website www.kaksingrunners.com ngasi hongnabi matung ena hangdokre Kaksing kadrinda pangthokiba website hangdopagi tharamba aduda Kaksing Runners ke advisor sing KSI Samkisho Indian Air Force ke group captain orambadagi patharaba Naurem Bonant Maitei Range Forest Officer Kaksing Ramna Setri KSI Arun Kumari Kaksing Runners ke President Moirang Them Sarjit atei member kyasu saruyaki website ase Khetri Mayam Thoi Chanuna design to wani World War II da Laikhidraba Lanmi Singhe Mafamda Ikai Khumnaba Oina Kaksing Runners na Sinduna Chahi Asige September Mapanda चेनगदोरिबा कक्सिंग वर्ल्ड वार II मेमोरियल रन 2018 के मांगोइनाना वेबसाइट असे लॉन्च तौगनी हाइरी With the plastic pollution haibathim da nipumangarak suba Red Cross Day 2018 ngasi Indian Red Cross Society Impal West District branch na sinduna Pari Imam Sindam Sang High School langsing da pangthokre Tharomda da ex-health officer Dr. Kaisamp Arunkanta Pari Imam Sindam Sang High School ge principal as Mam Sajanu anina mathangsina chief guest amadi president oibagaloinana school management committee ge chairman as Merazana Akanaba Mitung Singh Oiki Tharomda freelance clinic and psychologist T.S. Arunso resource person Oina Saruyaki Tharomasagi Thim Sibo Environment and Ecology Department Amadi Manipur Pollution Control Board na support okay. Manipur University na loba handakta poll lauthokeba Bachelor of Education B.Ed examination 2018 da Wangsing da laiba IRA group of institution dagi Manipur punbagi oina position panglakraba amade mai palakraba mahirusing loinana HSLC examination da first division da mai palakraba mahirusing butaramna opogi tharam amangase institution asina sinduna institution asige auditorium da pangthokre Tharomatu da Wangsing Tenta Assembly Constituency ge MLAP Brozena Thoiba Mitung Amadi IRA Group of Institution Wangsing ge Principal and Rajakumana Tharomapu Loinana IRA Group of Institution Wangsing ge Co-founder KS Sawi Amadi Founder Teacher Jolina Akanaba Mitung Sing Oina Saruyaki Tharomatu da Manipur University na Loba B.Ed examination 2018 da amba position panglakraba Naurem Suras Apopa Naurem Novo Amadi Sorojini Kaksing Sumak Laikai Medis of opposition Panglakrabi Khetri Mayom Krishna Kumari Apopa Khetri Mayom Nabakumar Amadi Sampan Be Kaksing Makalaikai Amadi Mangas of opposition Panglakrabi Samandram Athoibi Apopa Samandram Amotoi Amadi Randhone Thawal Hauka Maning Yauna Atay Mai Palakraba Mairusing Amadi SSLC examination da first division na Mai Palaktuna letter ma Palakraba institution Asigi Mairusing da Manamatum Sing Piduna Taramna Opagaloinana Kaikumna Utki B.Ed Mairusing Nasu Ozasing da Asambakudo Posting Piduna Ikaikumna Utki Manipur Resident Office ke sponsor se Makada Krishi Bigan Kendra KBK Thawalna Sinduna low cost tool bank for doubling of farmers income haibasida ngasi KBK Thawalge training hall da pangthoktuna longmi singda low unaba seasonanaba kusuklai singsu yanthokre ngasi Tharomadu da Manipur government ke agriculture loishange director PS Rajendra Singha Nabab Manipur Resident Office ke general manager Praveen Kumar Deputy General Manager Dr. Rabi Babu R.K. Yaipaba Maitei Amade KBK Thawalge Head Senior Scientist Dr. Jasma Rane Sarang Temna Athoiba Mitunglan Singh Oina Saruyaki Manipur Sagadar National Sport University and SAU Ase Maming Tagi Oina Hangba Yaroi Lamna Masida Mapung Phaba University Oidriba Phaba Mapan Lamda of Campus Thamba Yaroi College Singda Hangduna Leba course Kara Hanglaga Sport University Hangle Haiduna Miam the Utsaiba Yaroi Haibiki Matanga de Samna Tonga Police Station Singda Equibu Pabiro Haiduna Thompson Cray Ngasi Ananda Singh Academy ge Mahiru Shingalunana Equibu Paraga NSU ge Warushing Oigene Haidabadi Equibu Pabio Haba Placard Sing Pai Kibagaluinana Kolaukia Lauduna Impal Escape Ponampa Police Station the Thompson K Ngasi Numiyong Bapung Animakairam Tarakpa Aduaida de Samge Head Office ke Vice President Namirapam Edition Amadi Impal West District Council Gezanen Secretary Widrom Somson Police ke team Amalaktuna Kai Sampata ke Lokhat ke Tungda de Samge Thomi Singna CM ge Banglo de So Thompson Cray de Samge President Yauna Mio Kuntramatoi Police na Pazan Cray Lamdam Sigi Yelombi Kannaba Sankeba Drafting Committee ge Ahamba Mipamp Mukhyamantri Secretariat Cabinet Holder Mukhyamantri and Billionaire Chia Lauduna Pangthokre Mipamadu Drafting Committee ge Convener Works Minister T.S. Biswajit ate member Kyana Sarvya Kibaga Yakiba Aduda Miamna Pirakpa Wapam Kya Kanabagaloinana Matangi Mipam Lagliba Tang Nipana Pamnabasu Yanake Ngasigi Mipamadu Congress ke MLA Hanagi Upamukhyamantri Gaikhangam MP CCK President T and Hauke Amade MD Nasiruddin Sarugya Kidre Hairi Housing Taugi Maman Hangalapa Aduga GST Lakpadege Posegi Maman Hangalapa Snamaram Oidaga Kaksing to Palen Jeliba Light up for Wheeler Singi Para Laglibatang Taramatoi Nindakabanumidagi Lupa Kun Lauragani Haina Imoino Diesel Auto Owners and the Drivers Welfare Association Kaksing Amade Kaksing to Palen Tata Magic Owners and the Drivers Association Kaksing Anina Puna Torapa Chironamana Pungduragle Meghaloi ki Silongda curfew makata na thamle phibam de khara phagale di haire is Khasi Hill District SP PS Dikharna haike pataba thokdokta thoktanaba curfew makata na thamli bane Army ready de lehele CRPF ki company taramanga khaksu seasonary State Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsongna Head Oiba High Level Committee Ama Semnaba Gamena Warep Lodi Haina Chief Minister Conrad Sangana Haike Super Colony de Toliba Todoki Maramda Tigalaga Solution Purangnaba Committee na Tabak Lokatkani Punjabi Amade Khasi Community Gage Marakta Unkanabagi Taudo Tolakibani Samajwadi Party Chief Achilles Yadavna Haike Lisangani Taramapanda Pangtokadaba Lok Sabha gi Mipalda SP na Bahujan Samaj Party ga seat yenabage wafam khanadri masigi matangda tanza sarakpada khanagani Bahujan Samaj Party gina seat Maraphu gi manungda seat nipu pamle Uttar Pradesh ke hanagi Chief Minister Achilles Yadav na makatana haiki Madhya Pradesh ke Mikhanda SP na seat Saniga Kuntra marakta Mirep Thadokani Satisga amasung Jharkhand su Mikhan thengnagani haiba wafam Achilles na phogdoki Hauzik arobada maroiba pa amahne pizari Indiana Global Host Oduna Nipum Durak Suba World Environment Day ge tharam paksana pangthokre Plastic ke mahuta atopa material na sinna basarkana notice thagadori amadi desamna tonga police station singda aikhoibu phabiro haiduna thomjengkhre Image Paodam asigi de matang sidaloisere mi tabire bapuna mo amapana khurumjari